In front of me is POCO M8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can lock apps using App Lock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. This way you will access Apps section. From it, you need to select App Lock on the left and hit Turn On. Now, before doing anything, click on Change Password at the bottom and pick one of those in order to decide which one you will use to lock your apps, pattern, PIN or password. Then create it, and if you made a mistake, click at the bottom left corner to redo it. When you're done, you need to repeat it to confirm it, and then hit Next at the bottom right corner. Now you can tap on Sign In and add to add your Xiaomi account, or tap on Not Now. If you decided to select Not Now, you need to wait 5 seconds to confirm your choice in the pop-up. Finally, if you want to lock all of those apps, hit Use App Lock right away. If you don't, you need to tap on all of them, check for 0 here, and then tap on Use App Lock. If you want to use your fingerprint to unlock your apps as well, hit Settings in this pop-up, or do it later by tapping on Use Your Fingerprint at the top. Finally, to lock apps, use gray switches next to them and go back. So when I check it out, I can see that App Lock is required after I opened one of my apps. To disable App Lock from any app, go back to the same settings, then enter your App Lock login method and use no blue switches next to your apps. Last but not least, to disable App Lock completely from your POCO, use this gear at the top right corner, hit blue switcher next to App Lock, and choose OK in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!